In this video, I'll discuss the most recent rumors and leaks about the phone as well as some of the current deals. I'll also express my own view on whether or not the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a worthwhile purchase. A late July release is anticipated for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is shaping out to be a rather remarkable phone. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage are all rumored to be included. Additionally, a 7.6-inch internal display and a 6.2-inch exterior display are anticipated. There are already a few offers accessible in terms of deals. For instance, if you trade in your old phone, you might get a $200 discount on the phone. Along with the phone, you can receive a free set of Galaxy Buds Pro. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is quite promising. It has a strong processor, a lot of RAM, and a lot of storage. The inside display is ideal for viewing films or playing games, while the exterior display is ideal for checking alerts or placing calls. The two screens are also fantastic. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 does have some possible drawbacks, however. The phone is probably going to be pretty pricey, and the screen creasing problem is still a worry. The phone is also still quite new, thus its future durability is unknown. The Oppo Find N and the Google Pixel Fold are just two of the other foldable smartphones that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will face off against. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is much more expensive than the Oppo Find N, which is also a fantastic phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 features a more powerful processor and greater storage, however. Though the Google Pixel Fold is still a mystery, it's rumored to resemble the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in terms of appearance. But a cheaper pricing for the Pixel Fold is also rumored. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a fantastic phone, in my opinion. If you're searching for a foldable phone, it has a lot of promise and is absolutely worth taking into account. But the pricing is a little exorbitant, and there's still a problem with the screen creasing. The Oppo Find N is a fantastic choice if you're on a tight budget. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.